In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profit and loss in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by getting to the report. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your standard and custom reports. Once you're there, scroll to the section called Business Overview and find the Profit and Loss Report. Go ahead and click that to open it. At the top right of the report, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Click Customize, and that's where all of your options for tailoring the report will appear. First, let's adjust the reporting period, because the dates you choose really affect how useful the report is. Look for the report period drop-down near the top. You can select common options like this year, last fiscal year, or choose a custom range if you want to focus on specific dates. This is especially helpful if you're looking at a certain project or a particular quarter. You'll also see an option called Compare Another Period. Turn this on if you want to compare your numbers with the previous year, the previous month, or another period. This makes it much easier to spot trends, like whether your income is growing or certain expenses are increasing. Next, let's filter the report so it shows only what you care about. In the Customization panel, expand the Filter section. If you want to look at just certain accounts, check the box for distribution accounts, then pick the specific income or expense accounts you'd like to include. You can narrow things down further by filtering by customer, vendor, class, or location. Just check the box for the type of filter you want, and then choose from the drop-down list. This is useful if you track different departments, regions, or types of work. If you want to see accounts even when nothing happened in that period, make sure Include Zero Amounts is checked. That way, you get a full picture of your chart of accounts in the report. Now, move over to the Display tab. Here, you can set your from and to dates again if you need to fine-tune the range. You'll also see a drop-down called Display Columns By. You can organize your report by year, month, or quarter, depending on how detailed you want your view to be. You can also switch the accounting method between cash and accrual and adjust how negative numbers show up, such as in red or with parentheses, to make losses stand out more clearly. Once you're happy with your settings, click Run Report to apply all your changes and review the updated profit and loss. If you think you'll want to use this same setup again in the future, click Save Customization at the top. Give your customized report a clear name so you can easily find it next time, and it will be ready for you whenever you need it.